Good morning, Goa. Good morning. Dev baro dis tumkan diyu. Today, I would like to talk to you on the illegal structure which is being built in Old Goa. It is a total failure of the administration of the Goa government which is ruling. It is a total failure of Panchayat who have issued the license for this owner. I cannot believe we are in 21st century. We are all educated. Everybody is professional there in our motherland. Such a beautiful motherland. Such a intelligent people we are. But today, blindfolded we are. All the MLAs, all the ministers, fully corrupt. The system is corrupt, and in corruption, the permissions are being issued, which are not correct. It is a total manipulation of the documentation. The responsible authority who were involved from the grassroots level, from the panchayat to the town and country planning, to all the administration who are accountable, should be brought to justice, punish them, terminate them from their jobs, and put a fine. Then only Goa will understand what is the meaning of administration. Then only the panchayat, the sarpanch, the panch, the government authority will realize that this type of blunders they will never do in their life. This is total failure. This is not acceptable in our motherland, nowhere in India also. It is a disgrace that today we see where there was a restricted area, where the building should not have come. Today the structure is ready. Today it is 75% the structure is ready, and it is only need the finishings to do it. So my appeal to the government of Goa, buy this land, buy this building from the owner, donate it to the Church of Goa, donate it to the Church of Old Goa authorities or the Bishop Palace, so that they can utilize this premises for usage of the religious ceremony, for usage of the religious authorities. Maybe they can have a retreat home. Maybe there are foreign dignitaries visiting during our feast of Saint Francis Xavier. Maybe there are some religious activities taking place in Old Goa. At that stage, let Bishop Palace, let Old Goa authorities can use this structure for the religious purpose. And I appeal to the NCP, NCP Shaina to donate and let your compensation be paid by these ruling MLAs who are filthy rich, who have looted our motherland. They have millions of dollars in their account. Let her be compensated if it is required. But if the authority where she must have misused, or if the authorities who have been involved to issue her a license should be punished. So my appeal to my fellow Goan that this building should be donated to the Church of Goa, to the Church of Old Goa authorities, to the Bishop Palace, and let them use for fruitful, for religious purposes in their activities. With these few words, I would like to say thank you. Dev bare koru. This is my advice. This is my suggestion, so that tomorrow the whole world, whole Goa will understand that no illegal activities can be tolerated. Law should be applied. There should not be compromise on the law, but demolishing the building and bring it to the ground zero. Instead of that, it's my appeal, it's my request that it can be used by the authorities of Goa Bishop House or Old Goa authorities, let them take it over. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you. Dev Bare Karu.